In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT error in message stream. If you've ever seen a response cut off mid-sentence, a spinning indicator that never finishes, or a message that says there was an error while streaming, this guide will walk you through reliable fixes in a calm, methodical way. Start by refreshing the page or opening a brand new conversation. Temporary glitches are common with real-time message streaming, and a quick refresh often resets the connection. Before you reload, copy anything important you've typed so you don't lose it. If refreshing doesn't help, start a new chat. New sessions are lighter and less likely to be weighed down by previous context. Next, check the official service status at status.openai.com. If there's a known incident or a partial outage, the issue is likely not on your side. In that case, waiting is the most effective option. Keep an eye on the incident updates and try again after the all clear is posted. Troubleshooting locally won't help if the service itself is impaired. If everything looks healthy, log out of your account and then log back in. This refreshes your session and renews tokens that can occasionally go stale. Think of it as a clean handshake with the service. Again, be sure to save any drafts before you sign out so you don't lose work. If the problem persists, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Corrupted or outdated data can interfere with the live response stream. You'll find this in your browser's privacy or history settings. Keep in mind that clearing cookies will sign you out of most sites, so plan a minute to log back in afterward. After clearing, reopen the site and test a simple prompt. Now try an incognito or private window. This mode uses a fresh profile with no stored cache and by default disables most extensions. If ChatGPT works there, you've identified a local conflict. That clue tells you the issue is likely tied to your normal browsing data or an extension rather than the service itself. Finally, turn off any VPN, pause non-essential extensions, or switch networks. VPNs, ad blockers, strict firewalls, or unstable Wi-Fi can interrupt the streaming connection. A quick test is to temporarily disable the VPN or hop to a different network, like a mobile hotspot, to see if stability improves. If it does, re-enable tools one by one to find the culprit. Work through these steps in order, and you'll resolve most streaming errors quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to smooth conversations.